AdSense ads to your Google site is what a lot of people want to know about. Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go about it, if it's actually possible to do it as of the time I'm making this video, and if it's not possible, what are the alternatives? How can you possibly make money? Because at the end of the day, the goal is for you to be able to make money with AdSense, right? So keep watching as I'm going to show you everything you need to know in this video. So first of all, the first thing you need to know is Google Site and Google AdSense are all Google products, right? So Google Site is actually a free website builder where you can actually create awesome website like you see that I have created there. These are awesome, beautiful websites they have been able to create using Google Site. And since we are able to create Google beautiful website like this using Google Site, another Google products that we can actually use is Google AdSense. Now, a lot of people want to know, with Google AdSense, can they be able to monetize their Google site? And this is exactly why I'm making this video. Now, as at the time I'm making this video, if you search this topic on Google AdSense ads on Google site, you see that I have made a couple of videos where I address this topic, but in today's video I want to address even more. So the first thing I need to tell you is adding AdSense ad to your Google site might not be possible, but there could be a way you can go ahead, to earn with your AdSense. So first of all, the next question you need to ask me is, why can't I add AdSense ads into my Google site? Then I'm going to answer you. So the reason why you can't add AdSense ads into your Google site, as at the time I'm making this video, is because Google site does not give you access to the HTML version of your website. So what that means is Google site actually just gives you a drag and drop for you to create a website. Now I'm going to give you an example. Unlike Blogger, this is a platform owned by Google as well. So Blogger is that platform that you can actually use to create blogs. So let me search for Blogger on incognito window so that I'm going to show you what it's all about. Okay, so Blogger actually will help you create a blog for free. So if you're looking to create a blog for free, Blogger will do that for you. Now, unlike Google AdSense, Blogger gives you access to the HTML version of your website. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why that HTML version is important. Now the reason why that HTML version, or having access to the HTML version of your website, is important is because when Google AdSense, when you submit your site, let's first you come to the Google AdSense here, click on site. When you submit your site on Google AdSense here, Google AdSense would like to verify you own the domain, right? They would like to know, okay, does this person have access to the domain? So what that means is when you submit your site, they are going to give you a code and tell you to place it on the header section of your website. Now, if you come to AdSense, Google site, you're going to see that you don't have access to anything. All you just have access to is create this website, design it the way you want it, and publish it, and that's it. You can't actually add the custom code to any tag, either the header, the body, or the footer tag. But with this Blogger, you can actually add code. Let me show you where you can actually locate the code. If you come over here to Themes, and you're going to see this option that says customize. If you click on this icon beside it, you're going to see edit HTML. Now if you click on edit HTML, you are going to have the source code of the website. Now what that means is you can actually access the header tag. Now this is the header tag right here. As you can see here, this is the header tag. So I can place the code that Google AdSense is going to give us. Okay, I can place that code here to verify I own the site. Or if we are being asked to place it before the body tag, that means we are going to scroll down and we are going to see this body tag. This is it. So we can actually place this code right here. Now this is one thing at Google site does not have, and for that reason you are not going to be able to verify you own the domain when you connect a custom domain to your Google site. Okay, don't forget I've also made a video showing you guys how to connect a custom domain to Google sites, so make sure you check out that video. Okay, but when you do that, you can't even have access to this stuff. But any website builder, either Blogger, WordPress, or any other one that will give you access to something like this, the headers, the code of the website, that means you can actually go ahead to use AdSense on it. So sometimes a lot of people come to my DM and show me I've been able to use AdSense on this my site. Don't forget, you can even ask them, okay, let me see your dashboard, because some of them, they can also use other ads network. So if AdSense does not work for you, if your Google site, I don't know if other ad network works, but we're talking about Google site today, right? If other one works, I'm going to tell you, but today we're talking about Google site, and for that reason, that's exactly why I'm showing you all of these things. So AdSense ads on Google site might not be possible, solely because you don't have access to the HTML version of the website. You only have access to the drag and drop feature that Google Sites actually gives you. Now, another question you would like to ask me is, if I can't add AdSense ad to my Google site, how can I monetize my Google site? How to monetize Google sites? So you can actually monetize your Google site using so many methods. One method is using affiliate programs. So if you go to Google and search for affiliate, let me add programs to it, right? If you go ahead and search for affiliate programs, you're going to find dozens of affiliate programs that you can join. So what this means is you can actually join any of these affiliate networks. So, but me personally, depending on what you are doing with your Google site, okay, so if you are selling a product, or if you are selling, let's say, product that can be shopped on Amazon, you can just search for Amazon affiliates. Okay, now what that is going to tell you is that with Amazon affiliate, you can actually become an affiliate with Amazon and sell any product you see on the Amazon website. So depending on what your website is all about, okay, is the website that will allow you to also sell products that is from Amazon, go ahead, sign up for Amazon affiliate and start selling those products. Now if you don't want to use Amazon, there's Jumia as an affiliate, Konga as an affiliate. Every software or product tool that you know of also has an affiliate. If you come to the footer section of their website, you will find out that they also offer affiliate programs. So you can use those affiliate programs and then use it to monetize your Google site. Another way to monetize your Google site is selling courses and ebooks, selling digital products yourself. Okay, you can actually sell digital products, and I've actually made several videos where I teach you how to sell digital products with Google sites. I can make a new video very soon, so make sure you subscribe and you're waiting for that video. So another way you can actually do it is actually, another way you can actually monetize your Google site is actually selling your own physical products on it, or your services. Don't forget, okay, you can sell with Google sites. Okay, so another way to make money with Google sites is you can actually help people to create beautiful websites with Google sites, and these people, you might not collect a lot of money from them, okay, but the fact that you are helping them out to do some things, they are going to be excited, and they are going to tip you, they're going to appreciate you. So that's another way to make money with Google sites. Okay, so I've given you several ways you can make money with Google sites, so make sure you go ahead, find the one that works for you and do. So if there are other ones that I skipped in this video, tell me or tell us in the comment section, so that somebody is going to learn and find a way to monetize their Google site. Okay, so guys, this is a very brief video. In short, let me answer the question directly now. Is it possible to add AdSense ads to Google site? As at the time I'm making this video, that's not possible, but you can actually monetize your Google site using so many methods, which I explained in the video. And you can also monetize your Blogger website. Remember, I told you that Blogger is owned by Google as well. So Google site is owned by Google, so you can actually use that platform to actually support your earnings. Okay, so guys, this is the video I have for you guys. If there's something you want to tell me, I'll be in the comments. It's something I need to know, tell me immediately, so that I'll get to know the information immediately. So guys, tell me what you think. I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed.